Welcome back to another episode of Man vs. Nature, where different teams compete to endure the harsh outdoors and try to outlast each other. The team with the most survivors at the end of the season wins the grand prize of $1 million. Previously, the Montagues and Capulets got into another serious fight, which prompted the referee to get involved.
Stop! Physical fights between groups are against the rules. If you guys fight again, I'll kick you out of the competition.
Life is pointless. My crush doesn't like me back. Oh look, it's the Capulet camp. As soon as I saw her, I knew she was the one for me. Hey there, beautiful. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Juliet.
So, did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
Thank you. You're a handshake master.
So, you want to do it again?
Is that a Montague over there? Filthy I'm gonna beat him up.
Don't you dare. You'll risk getting eliminated.
I should probably go now, but meeting you was amazing.
Wait, what's your name?
Romeo.
Just my luck. He's a Montague. The one guy I like is the most hated enemy of my team. But he's still so handsome.
Whoa! Is that Juliet?
Oh, I wonder where you are, Romeo.
She speaks. Oh my god, speak again.
Oh, he's so hot. I wonder if he likes me back.
I do love you.
Why are you here? If my team finds you, they'll beat you up.
Here's my confession. I really like you, and I'm willing to risk anything to be with you.
Juliet! Coming! Okay, how about we meet up tomorrow?
Sounds like a deal. I've got my friend Lawrence, and he can help us meet up in secret.
Juliet! Alright, I'm coming. What time should we meet?
9 o'clock.
See you then.
Okay, I'll keep watch while you two lovers spend time together. Make it quick.
So, I was wondering, would you like to be my girlfriend?
Really?
Of course.
Yes, you can be my boyfriend.
Juliet, honey, come over here. Your mother and I need to speak with you.
We want you to date a team member. His name is Paris.
What? Why?
He has connections that can help us win the game.
I would just take money from him and get a lot of paper clips.
Well, look who it is. Montague trash.
What did you just say? Ignore him, Mercantile. No! You mess with our friends, you mess with me!
Stop! Tybalt, I don't want to fight you. We have no reason to be enemies.
Don't worry, I can take them.
In your dream.
Stop, guys. You're both gonna get eliminated. Look, there's a bear over there. You know you're out of the game if you're injured badly.
Both your teams! I hope neither of you win!
Oh my god. That bear messed him up. Now he's gonna have to leave the show. How could you, Tybalt?
What have you done? You better leave, the referee's coming.
What happened here? I thought I warned you about this. Who started this fight?
Tybalt started it. He threw Mercutio to a bear, and Romeo did the same to him. Tybalt deserved it.
That may be true, but Romeo still broke the rules. Instead of eliminating him, he'll be exiled and forced to survive on his own from the other teams. How dare Romeo push Tybalt into a bear? He should be eliminated, not just exiled.
Oh my god! How could Romeo do that to my friend? Wait, he's banished? No! What am I gonna do?
Lawrence, what should I do? I hurt Tybalt, but only because you hurt Mercutio.
I heard other people talking, and the referee decided to exile you instead of eliminating you.
What? But then I won't be able to see Juliet. Maybe I should just leave the show.
Don't be an idiot. You still have a chance to win the grand prize. Being exiled is better than being kicked off the show. Listen, go pack your things and see your girlfriend one last time. Later we can decide a way for you two to be together.
Florence, I need your help. My team wants me to date Paris, but I can't cheat on Romeo. What do I do?
I have an idea. Write a note to your team saying that you decided to quit the show. I'll tell Romeo, and you two can run away and be together without your teams knowing.
I was having doubts. Was being with Romeo worth betraying my team? But then I decided that he was my boyfriend, and I'd rather get kicked off the show than cheat on him.
Everyone, come look at this!
What happened?
Oh my god, she left the competition?
There was no way I could stay on the show knowing that Juliet had to leave.
I will embrace death as death embraces me.
Oh, Lawrence, there you are. Do you know where Romeo is? I think he read your note last night before I could find him. He let a bear attack him.
Oh no! I have to be with him!
Just take me! I'm coming, Romeo!
So what exactly happened to make both Romeo and Juliet let a bear attack them?
Basically, and that's what happened. People do crazy things for love. They'll even give up a chance to win $1 million.
Wow, we've been so focused on this competition. We didn't even pay any attention to our team members, our friends.
Let's form an alliance. Even though we'll all get less money each, we'll be the third team and lead the show as winners together.